Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and have another subject that didn't know when we'd get to it, and so I thought we'd touch on it now because I was actually typing in for the next lesson and I realized what I did, and I realized I hadn't taught this to you guys yet. So alright, so here's where we all have our stuff, right? So okay, and we look at this and we know that if we want to change our path or open a file or anything along these lines, let's say we know how to change our path, right? Or change directory. Actually, here I have in another folder, I'll show you guys this. So alright, let's back out one. So alright, so right there, this is the shopping list. So we're going to use our open function. So file dot open. So what is this? Is this C? So, all right. Yeah. So C colon backslash users backslash MUE backslash and then shopping list .txt. So alright, run this. So alright, this is gonna fail. Anybody know why? Okay, because I need my escape character. We learned about escape characters, right? Okay, so F is now this. So alright, I was kind of mean. I didn't show you that. So just in case you are super new, these are backslashes because they lean backwards. The top is backwards. So now /. So I want to show you it doesn't fail with /. So it was a little mean that I haven't told you this, guys, yet if you've been messing around and typing in a whole bunch of extra characters, but you needed to know about the backslash. So I wanted you, if you don't remember, I'm going to show you the hard way to do it first, make sure you get it, and then I'm going to show you the easy way. So alright, now we have this, and if closed f dot closed, it's false, so we do close. There we go. So it's closed, but I realized that I had not taught you this yet. So alright, /, you only need one. Backslashes, you need two for the escape character. So I know it was a little mean, but I wanted you to know about it. So alright, there we go. So give me any hate mail if you thought that was too mean. But alright, as always, thanks for watching, guys. I've been getting some really awesome comments from especially a couple of individuals. I want to give a shout out to John. He's really been awesome. So appreciate that. I've been spending a lot of time watching videos, giving me some really good feedback, taking things upon his own, and really doing some cool stuff and letting me know about it. And that's awesome. That makes this all worthwhile, because I'm here for you guys, because I remember what it was like learning, having to figure this out all on my own and piecing little things together, and it was frustrating for me, and I don't want it to be frustrating for you. So I want you to learn as much as possible, as quickly as possible, in the most efficient manner. So I can't tell you guys thanks enough. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We got videos coming out all the time. So, all right, I'm done rambling. That's past 5 minutes. So thanks, guys, and stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye.